I'd like to export some of my photos for sharing online or printing out. So I'll shift select these 6 photos here and then click on the export icon up here on the toolbar. First of all, let's choose a folder of where to store them. So I'll make a new folder in my pictures folder. I'll just call it Sarah's Shoot. And set that as the export folder. I want to share these online, so I'll make them a little bit smaller. So I'll change the scale to width and the pixel dimensions to 2000. Click on export and you're all done.